Good evening, good day everyone, and welcome back to our health education. Our topic for this day, it's all about rabies because last March it's a rabies awareness month. So we will talk about rabies, or in Tagalog, rabies. Ayan, what is rabies, sir? Rabies is a viral infection, a viral disease that causes encephalitis in the humans and other mammals. Sir, what is encephalitis na tinatawag? It's inflammation of the brain. So, the question is, sir, what is the virus do to our body? So, the rabies virus causes acute infection for our central nervous system. And there are 5 general stages are recognized in a human. So, meron incubation period, merong prodrome, acute neurologic period, coma, and final or last stage is death. Ayan. Mamamatay yung taong nakagat ng aso, rabid dog, or rabid cat. So, sir, what happened to the humans na may rabies or meron na infected na ng rabies? So, a person develop illness. Sir, what kind of illness? So, may include mga stages pa lang, mga incubation period niya, prodromal niya, merong fever, sore throat, pamamaga na ng lamunan, stiffness ng kanyang muscle, lalong-lalo na dito sa throat. Meron ng headache, tiredness, restlessness, yes, and then nausea and itchy, makate yung or tingling sensation at the site of the bite. Kung saan siya kinagat, doon yung kate and tingling sensation. So, sir, what are the 4 symptoms of rabies? Yun nga, pag nakagat ka, merong tingling sensation and prickling or itchiness sa kanyang site kung saan ka kinagat, sa kamay, sa paa, most likely sa paa kasi lalo-lalo sa mga rabid dog, and also feeling around the bit of the area, and also some like flu-like symptoms. May fever, a presence of fever, headache, muscle aches, loss of appetite, nausea, tiredness, and a few days papasok na yung merong prodroma na papasok na din. Aside from incubation period, ayan na, nag-start na po doon, then papasok na neurological symptoms, mag-develop na siya, including irritability na yung patient or nakagat and aggressiveness, and then stiffness nga dahil medyo sabihin pa kasi sinasabi na ako sa yes, dahil stiff yung kanilang karoon ng muscle spasm sa throat, kaya pwede sila makainom talaga. Ayan, so if ever man na may nakagat ng aso sa sa mga bahay, sa malapit na area, pumunta hugasan yung area na yun, sabunan, and hugasan with running water, and dalhin agad sa pinakamalapit na rural health unit para mabakunahan anti-tetanus or anti-rabies pag meron. ATS and tetanus toxin. Kaya ingat-ingat po tayo palagi. So, if ever man nakalmot o nakagat, so hugasan ito ng sabon, tubig, and tumungo sa pinakamalapit na health center or sa pinakamalapit na animal bite center para mabigyan agad ng lunas para maiwasan maiwasan yung rabies na maaaring kamatay ng isang pasyente o ng tao. Kaya mag-ingat po ang lahat, lalong-lalo na sa maging aware and maging vigilant sa paligid natin. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Sana